Right folks, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So this is it, this is the Yamaha off-road experience in mid Wales, and like I said, I'll put all the details of the company that runs it, etc. down in the description below. We've had a bit of a practice session which I may or may not have included at the forefront of this video, but it's just basically where we just did a bit of a warm-up. But we've just entered some woodland. They're split off into two groups, where there's about 5 of them that are a little bit more experienced, have gone off to I think they said the Sweet Lamb Centre. I've heard of that, but the rest of us, which is about a dozen, we're just doing this, which is good enough at the end of the day. This is what we've come here to do. I'm loving this, this is great. This is what I came to do. Yeah, so sit back and enjoy it. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of footage from today, and I'm just going to pick and choose little bits and put some videos together. Maybe, well, definitely one video obviously, but hopefully a couple of short videos for you all to enjoy over a couple of weeks. So sit back and enjoy. It's a shame it's raining, but we can't have everything, and it adds to the ambience of riding off-road in Wales, I think. I'll see if I can catch up with Nigel at some point. I'm still making a bad habit of covering my clutch with too many fingers, which they pointed out to us. I think we're all doing that. It's just instinctive. I'm loving this. I know I keep saying I'm loving this, but I'm loving this. Even though with the weather. Imagine having this at your disposal, eh? You could just come up here whenever you wanted to ride these trails. That'll be heaven. Well, already I'm impressed with this company. The way that they've given the intros, the health and safety briefings. And the bikes are awesome. I'm not doing bad here, considering I can't see where I'm going because my glasses are steamed up. Oh, this is looking fun. You see again now, this isn't phasing me out because of the practice I've had doing rocks. The beautiful Welsh countryside, hey, shrouded in rain and mist. So here, I'm just going to sit down, cover the brake and the clutch like I said, and we're good. Loving it! So it looks like we're just going to stop here just for a short, maybe catch up, bit of a debrief maybe. Right, off we go. A little bit of motocross. So So I sit down here, and then he said shut off the throttle completely, dump the throttle, and then power it on coming out. So put out. That wasn't too bad, just a quick lap. Or are we doing it again? Sit down here. Kill the throttle, bring it around. There we are, doing it again. So we're going to have another go, just trying to perfect our techniques. Going right. Oh dear. And the rains have started again. So, sat nice and far forward. So here in brake, it's quite difficult doing this. So off the throttle, foot out. Get further forward. So sit really far forward. Yeah. And then are we going around there? Oh we are, aren't we? Yeah. I'm making my own little course there. So around the bend, I don't know what gear I'm in there. Yeah. So here, drop it down into second, off the throttle. Well, that wasn't too bad. I do believe the rain has disappeared on us here. So, to be fair, the motocross style riding we were doing there doesn't really appeal to me too much. This is more my sort of game, just riding on trails like this. I like this sort of riding. It's relaxing. But I'll happily try anything. I don't end up down there, do you? So even in third gear coming up here, this is a piece of cake. So where are we going now, I wonder? Sit further forward. And then just here, and just cover the brake. That's quite a nice little rock face. I'm too busy looking at the scenery, not looking at rocks. This is quite steady away, this, isn't it? I'm enjoying this. Alright? Yeah. Somebody's dropped the bike there. Could be me next. Is he alright? Hopefully so. 2 down, is there? Right. Could be us next, Nige. Well, you never know. We're only human, aren't we? Yeah, I wondered if you had it in too high a gear. Yeah. No, yeah. You haven't got all the GS refinements, have you?
3 times.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought straight away, I thought he must be in too high a gear there. Are we good? Looks like we're good. Right, off we go again, folks. Hopefully nobody was injured from that fall. So a nice little gentle woodland trail now. See what this holds for us. I must admit though, this Yamaha so far, it has exceeded my expectations as to its abilities and capabilities. Right, just going to give a bit of space here, I think. It's very intermittent as this wet weather. It's a bit cold, especially when you're wearing damp clothing. That's quite a nice little bit section there amongst the conifers and the ferns. This is a bit narrow and twisty. So nice and sit forward on the bike. I keep forgetting to do it because it's just so instinctive to sit further back. But that's what this day is all about, to identify bad habits and rectify them and pick up new styles and skills. Oh, we're going through a spooky little forest trail here. So this is where we started off, isn't it?